everyone. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, welcome again in our digital classes. Our today's subject is general knowledge. So, open your GK book and open the page number 5, that is our today's lesson, name these birds. Okay, so we'll start, but before that, in previous session, you was having one activity. Have you done with this? Yes, you have to draw, you have to join these dots and identify the sea animal. So, have you done this? Yes, very good. So, can you tell me which sea animal it is? Yes, it is a dolphin. Very good. So, we'll move towards our today's lesson. Okay, that is name these birds. So, in this lesson, you have to identify some names of some birds. Okay, some pictures are given and its description is given. So, by that description, you have to find its name. Got it? Have you observed or have you seen the birds around you? Yes, many birds are there around you. Some are very tiny, some are very big, some are very beautiful by its color, and some are very different by its body structure or some new features. Okay, so like this, you are having in this lesson some birds and you have to find out the names. Okay, so we will move towards the questions. Okay, you can see the pictures in your book and I have written 2 questions on board. Okay, we'll read first one. What is the first one? It is a water bird with a broad beak and webbed feet. Can you guess which bird it is? See your book. The picture is given. Which bird having or who is having broad beak and webbed feet? And it is a water bird. Can you tell? Yes, very good. So, the answer is D U C K, duck. Okay, so it is a duck. Duck is a water bird. That means it lives under the water or near the water. Yes, near the water, not under the water. Okay, and it has a broad beak. See in picture, it has a broad beak and webbed feet. That means flat feet. Okay, yes. Now, what is the next one? It stays awake at night and hoots when it makes a sound. So, now see in book which bird it is. Can you guess? Yes, it is a owl. So, now write down here O-W-L. It is a owl. We can say it is a night bird because some animals or some birds like owl, they are awake at night. Okay? So, like this, you have to solve the remaining questions. See, 3, 4 and 5 are still remaining. Okay? So, read the description and you have to find which bird it is. Got it? And you have to write here the name.